Hello, trading is closed on November 23rd, 2020. Let's do our disclaimer, then go over our calls. So my trading plan for tomorrow, November 24th, 2020. No guarantee I'm right, and if we gap sharply in the undesired direction, the call's kill before the open. Here's my email, MEJT.trades@gmail.com. Sorry about the audio, left my better microphone home, and I'm in Florida, so I don't plan to leave at the moment to go pick it up. Well, let's go over our call. We looked for the pattern with the early high. This is it. We said the most likely thing was a gap and a prompt move outside today's or Friday's range, and we got that. We had a target of 35.7754, and that printed, and it was within 5 cents of today's close. So we can cross that one off the list. We said the pattern tended to be a rally day with a high in the final hour, and we got that too. Let's just review what we said. This is just the list. I'm not going to repeat it again. Tomorrow's pattern has a really low. During the day, MEJT said these drops were false and they wouldn't stick. Said this blip up wouldn't stick and we'd pull back, and all those things have already worked. Well, this is a pattern which normally closes near the high. When it doesn't close near the high, it's trouble and leads to lower prices. But the catch is tomorrow's open can substitute for today's close. So if we open up here, or if we gap and promptly take out this high, all that negativity goes away. Futures are already up now, so it's entirely possible that we do it, but doing it in futures doesn't count. You really won't get confirmation of the signal till you really trade tomorrow. We still look for a 250-point drop from this line, but now that's not too far from here. I mean, 250 points is about 34.91. We closed at 35.77. I mean, it's 87 points. It isn't chicken feed, but it's not the end of the world either. Well, here's the count we have, and I'm getting ready to change it because I don't see the kind of wave blue C down that I thought we should have. This could be A of blue B, and all this consolidation here could be this magenta B, and then we might have another wave up. And the one thing that argues against that interpretation is there are just too many bulls. The bullish sentiment is at extremes, which typically is seen only before a big drop, and I'm just not seeing it. Plus, we're entering a normally favorable time of the year. Big drops tend not to occur in December. So we'll keep our question mark here for now. We can't be certain. Well, we could have hit a high today. There's a count that works. You have an A, a B, and a C with perfect fibs. This could be an ABC. This could be an ABC with C equal to A, and you could drop. But I don't like relying on the wave count at this point, because just because this count works, it doesn't mean some other count doesn't. If we drop from here, I could explain it, but that doesn't mean it has to drop. Only call I really have for tomorrow is if this doesn't fall early, we should trade lower. Doesn't require a close lower, but that's likely. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Failing to close near the high today created a negative pattern. The time to invalidate the pattern doesn't run out till early tomorrow, so you can't really risk money on it if that's all you have. Either we gap and promptly overtake today's high, or we should see lower prices tomorrow. Sentiment indicators remain at dangerous levels. Futures have gapped up, so we still could rally tomorrow. This is a normally bullish week. But at some point, all this excessive bullishness has to be punished. And it's really a question of how much the punishment is going to be. My suspicion is, at some point, most likely before year end, we should sell off. And at that point, if the rally continued and we saw new highs, it wouldn't surprise me at all. But I just take things a day at a time. For tomorrow, it's the pattern with the early low. Need to clear this early or see lower prices, and that is today's call.